Hi, Jennifer here. I just wanted to do this quick little tutorial on my mobile phone to kind of show you the difference of the apps that as a business and having a business page on Facebook you may want to download. So you can see here, of course, I have my picture of my dog, but I also have the Facebook profile app, which we all know and love and we have on our phones most likely. And this is really how we get into Facebook, right? And how we are engaging with our friends. Now, in the past, you have been able to use this as your business page, but a few of you probably noticed that Facebook is kind of starting to change things. They're not going to let you use your Facebook profile app to work within your business page. So this is the alternative. Come over to whatever program you use, whether it's Apple or Google or Microsoft, and download the business pages, download Pages Manager, which is for the Facebook business pages. You can see it's got the Facebook Manager or the Facebook page icon. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So we're going to click that. It's going to open up, and this goes right to our business page. So now on the road and from our phone, we can actually engage and we can talk and we can comment and we can really utilize our Facebook business page a little bit better. Here's the other thing. We have a little toolbox here. So if you select that, you can actually go into your scheduled posts. You can go into your ads management. Very nice. And instant articles if you've used that. Now at the bottom, you also have your analytics and your inbox. If someone has messaged you, you can respond there, and your notifications. So this is a really great way to help keep up to date and to quickly access your Facebook business page on the road, on your mobile, and I hope this helps you. So I look forward to seeing you either on our YouTube channel or in my lectures or on my eGen Solutions Facebook page. Have a good day. Bye.